All right, so we're gonna look at quiz 8, question 5, and what we're looking at here is a little sloppy, but it basically says log base 2 of x minus 10 plus log base 2 of x minus 3 minus log base 2 of x equals 2. And in order to do this thing, basically you want to condense it down to one log and then apply the properties of logs and then solve for x. So what you'll notice is that you'll see this plus here and this minus here. So when we convert this back into a single log, it'll look something like this. Log base 2 of x minus 10 times x minus 3 over x equals 2. And the plus sign goes into a product and the minus sign goes into the divisor. So next we can apply the property of logs, and that we see 2 base 2 equals x minus 10 times x minus 3 over x. So what we have left now is a quadratic basically, but in order to get this quadratic form, we're going to multiply both sides by x. So we'll end up with 4x equals, and then distribute the numerator here, x squared, let's see, minus 13x plus 30. And moving everything to one side, minus 17x plus 30. And this should factor out nicely. These usually do. So 0 equals x minus 2 and 15 are going to work here. That gives you the addition of negative 17, but multiplies to positive 30. So we get our two solutions, 2 and 15. And then we got to go back and make sure that these actually work in the solution. I think what we're going to find is that the number 2, 2 doesn't work, because if you stick 2 back in here, you'll get a negative solution in there. Log base 2 of negative 8 doesn't exist, so that one doesn't work. But the other one will. So 15, and you don't have to actually check these just to see if they work. You just got to check and make sure that they're errors or not errors. So 15 is going to work fine because you get positive, 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 so that works out all right. So basically this one's not a solution. X equals 15 is the only answer to this one. All right.